How to make a tissue paper flower. Step 1. Stack about 5 rectangles of tissue paper up as neat as you can. My rectangles are 6 by 9, but you can make them larger or smaller. They just all need to be the same size. It can be tricky to stack tissue paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. Step 2. Fold the stack of paper over about ½ inch. Flip the paper over and fold it again. Keep folding the paper back and forth. You will fold the whole stack like this. Take the whole folded stack and fold it in half. Take a Chenille stem or pipe cleaner and wrap it around the middle of the stack. And twist the end of the Chenille stem around itself. Find the top layer of tissue paper and carefully pull it away from the rest, toward the middle. Pull all of the layers of paper to the middle, one at a time. Be careful, don't rip the paper. It's a flower. Bonus, make your flowers smell good. Start with a perfume advertisement from a magazine or newspaper. Cut the smelly part of the advertisement into strips. Fold the tissue paper as normal. Place the perfume strip in the Chenille stem with the stack of tissue paper. Try it out.